Breaking news. The Treasurer General of Umkhonto weSizwe has just resigned. Dr. Tati, honestly, I can't say I'm surprised. There's been a lot of problems revolving around money. So I think he was like extremely under pressure. And obviously a lot of questions coming to him. Maybe he does not even know, but where's the money. He doesn't have all the answers. So I mean, he's definitely his option was to resign. I think maybe I must just make a YouTube video where I just share my full thoughts. But before I end, let me just read the statement quickly. So this is the office, the resignation letter. It says that, Dear President Zuma, I hereby tender my resignation as Treasurer General of Umkhonto weSizwe with immediate effect. After much reflection, I have concluded that stepping down from my roles as Treasurer General of the MK Party, convener of High Command deployees in the Western Cape, and chair of the Communication Subcommittee. Aibo, so he's resigning kuzo zonke eziphathi. Okay, I need to go make a YouTube video, son. Aibo, is in the best interest of the organization. This decision is driven by the need to balance my personal responsibilities. Aibo, what personal responsibility? And the demands of my professional commitments. I firmly believe the MK Party requires a full-time Treasurer General to lead it effectively through this pivotal phase of its growth. I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you, Mr. President, for the trust and the opportunities extended to me during my tenure as a member of the National High Command and Treasurer General. My appreciation also extends to the staff of Treasurer General's office, the commanders of High Command, and colleagues across the provinces and legislators. I take pride in the collective achievements we have made and values of transparency, dedication, and hard, passionate individuals striving for the betterment of our people and the Republic. I remain steadfast in my commitment to the principle outlined in MK Party's constitution and our founding manifesto, the People's Mandate. I will remain the ordinary member of National High Command, and I'm available to assist in any capacity necessary to facilitate a smooth transition. Let me read the statement quickly. I am definitely going to YouTube. I can't, son. This is the statement from Umkhonto weSizwe. Hebe tunana. Okay, let me not read it. I think I must just go on YouTube because Haibo. So anyway, President Zuma has received the I got disturbed by a call, man. So anyway, the president has received the resignation. I mean, it's only been few months since Dr. Tati was instated as the Treasurer General. I think it's been like 4 months or something, but it hasn't been long. So let me know what you think. I'm definitely gonna record a full reaction on YouTube and just expand more and read the acceptation letter, and also just follow the reactions of people on social media. Hi, let me know what you guys think. Seslindo Floyd ngoku because it's yam